Today, we are going to do a product review. We purchased this Super Electro universal travel adapter a few months ago and took it on our trip to Tanzania. We're including a link in the description if you want to buy it. We'll go through some quick highlights and then do a full unboxing with more details. One main benefit of this adapter is a 30-watt USB-C port that allowed me to charge my MacBook M2 Air directly and fast charge iPhones and Samsung devices. In addition, 3 USB-A ports allowed us to travel lighter, as we were able to just bring this one adapter and simultaneously charge 4 devices at once. This also left the AC plug available for anything else, such as a hairdryer or shaver. In addition to the fast USB-C power delivery port, we also like the fact that this adapter has a fuse to protect against potential overloads. Testing a few adapters, this one seemed to work best for our needs. It works in over 200 countries, and as you can see, it has pretty much all plug types covered, including UK, Europe, US, and Australia. Having the 8-amp fuse also gave us peace of mind that we would be protected from overloading. With a max power rating of 1500 watts, we were able to use it with a hairdryer overseas with no problem. Finally, it is nice that this adapter includes both the main fuse and a backup, so if it blows while you are traveling, you can quickly change the fuse. So those are the main highlights and key features of this adapter. We'll next go through an entire unboxing and then show the adapter in use. Overall, this is the box it came in. Nothing special, but shows the product, including the devices you can charge, and detailed specifications. Let's go ahead and open it to take a look. Sliding it out of the box, you can see it is a large cube shape. Also inside the box was an instruction sheet, however, the adapter was pretty straightforward to use. Regardless, we'll open up the sheet to show it to you, in case you want to review it to see the types of plugs and outlets it works with. Now let's take a detailed look at the adapter. The bottom of the adapter contains the 4 USB ports, 3 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. Flipping it around, we take a look at the front of the adapter. There was some protective plastic that we had to remove. As you can see, the adapter accommodates a large variety of plug types including the UK, Europe, US and Australia. Similarly, let's take a look at the back. Using the side sliders, you simply slide out the plug you wish to use. This is a Type G plug for countries like the UK. Once out, the plug is locked in place, so you have to push the slider tab in a bit to slide it back in. This next one is a Type C, for use in Europe, South America, and Asia. Finally, the last one is a US plug. As seen before, the prongs can be twisted for Australia use. Let's take a look at it actually in use. Here, I'm charging a MacBook. There are 3 other devices plugged into the adapter's USB-A ports. A Samsung Galaxy, along with an iPhone and an iPad. While I was able to charge all of these devices simultaneously, it should be noted that the total power is 30 watts, so when charging multiple devices, they will charge slower. Finally, let's take a look how to change the fuse. As you can see, you will need some sort of small screwdriver, or if you are on travel, a small knife or fork will probably work. You can just pry out the fuse and replace it with the included spare fuse. So that's our review of the Super Electro universal travel adapter. We hope you found the information useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.